Personal explanation, Mr. Speaker. Thank you, Mr. Speaker. My highly respected leaders of this House, my highly respected colleagues, my name is Honorable Mohammed Gudaji Kazaure, member representing Kazaure, Ron, Ubiwa, and Yankwashi. I'm from the Gas State. Mr. Speaker, I came in this House, I find the House is too crowded, which I surprised. More especially in this critical situation we are in this country. Mr. Speaker, you remain Speaker of this House for the whole of the 8th Assembly. Likewise, the leadership of this House will remain leadership of this House for the 8th Assembly. Likewise, Mr. Speaker, I am advised that no member should be suspended in this House for the whole of the 8th Assembly. Because, Mr. Speaker, this House is not belong to us. This House does not belong to any one of us. It belongs to Nigerian people. And we are here. They selected us to come here because they have confidence on us. So we should forget fighting. We should forget anything, more especially in this situation. Let us face our duty to forget and forgive anybody in this House. We are not after anybody. So, Mr. Speaker, my advice is I need you to get a good technical advisors close to you. Because right from the beginning, what happened in this House as a good leader not supposed to happen. Because all what we are doing in this House, Nigerians are watching us, world are watching us. I'm in my house, journalists are calling me to say something about all this issue. I never said anything. I said I will leave it till I come to the chamber, because all what happened supposed to be in-house. But look at how some they tarnish our image in the eyes of the world. So they are blaming not only the leadership, Mr. Speaker, they are blaming all the members of this House, Nigerians. So, Mr. Speaker, please, you should forget anything that people are accusing you on it until they prove it. Let them prove it if they know you committed something wrong. But issue of carrying these green things or write something, who say you will impeach Speaker? Nobody will impeach Speaker. You will remain as a Speaker, so let we keep Speaker love in our heart. When somebody comes for impeachment, then we will tell him no. But that is what I want you to know. So Mr. Speaker, in this country, people put serious eye on us. So please, we should forget everything and focus on how are we going to save our country. That is my contribution.
So thank you very much. Thank you very much, Honorable Gudaji. Thank you, Honorable Gudaji. Please.
It's okay.
Take Honorable Gudaji.